all my learners from Vibrant Gurus, Chapter 2, Cascading Stylesheet and JavaScript, Part 1. So students, in this video, we learn how to create style sheet. So let's start. First, I will explain what is CSS. CSS means Cascading Style Sheet. It allows you to specify the style rule for the visual elements of the website. Style defines the appearance of particular page elements on the screen. मतलब कि अगर आप HTML के कोई particular element के लिए एक properties set करना चाहते हो कि पूरे वेब पेज में आपको वही properties दिखे, तो आप style rule से ये create कर सकते हो. Style sheet helps us to avoid duplication of coding, use the same content with different styles for different purposes, and it is easy maintenance of code. Using CSS, we can control font types, font and element colors, pad spaces, margins, and elements position in our website. Syntax of CSS. The syntax of CSS consists of special symbol known as style rule. A CSS style rule has two parts. First is selector and second is declaration. Selector is an HTML element on which you want to apply style. And declaration consists of property associated with an HTML element. So this is the general syntax of CSS. First first selector and then declaration. Declaration part enclosed within curly brackets, and in declaration here we have property and its value, and property and value are separated by colon. ये एग्जाम्पल है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमने यहाँ पे एक स्टाइल डिफाइन किया है h1 और उसके प्रॉपर्टी कलर उसकी वैल्यू सेट की है ग्रीन. सो हियर h1 इज आवर सिलेक्टर एंड कर्ली ब्रैकेट्स में जो प्रॉपर्टी एंड वैल्यू हमने दिया है इट इज आवर डिक्लेरेशन. हाउ टू क्रिएट स्टाइल रूल. We can easily create CSS using Composer. First, to make sure that Composer uses CSS by default. To check this, click on Tools menu and select Preferences option. From here, select the checkbox Use Style Rules instead of HTML elements and attributes. देखिए यहाँ पे इस तरह से ऑप्शंस होंगे, इसमें से ये वाला ऑप्शन आपको क्लिक करना है. ओके. नाउ एक एग्जाम्पल से हम समझेंगे कि किस तरह से CSS यानी कि स्टाइल रूल क्रिएट किया जाता है. Assume that you want to design a website and all the headings H1 inserted in web page follow the given style. मतलब font is Times New Roman, case upper case होना चाहिए. Alignment will be center alignment, background color light blue, border dotted होना चाहिए. So, for that, open a new file, give a page title and save the file. From composition toolbar, click cascade button. इस तरह से एक CSS का बटन है, उसको आपको क्लिक करना है. This will open CSS style sheet dialog box. ये CSS style sheet dialog box है. Here we want to create style for heading 1. So select H1 from the drop down menu. This is the drop down menu. Click on this arrow button and select H1 tag. Here we select H1 tag and click on create style rule button. This is create style rule button. Click on this button. This will change the options of CSS style sheet. You can see the H1 element just below the heading internal style sheet. And on right side, you will see various options like general, text, background, borders, box, list, etc. So now select H1 from left pane and click on text tab. This will this will shows various text style options like font type, color, alignment, font style, uppercase, lowercase, and other effects. According to our example, click on predefined, click on predefined option and select Times New Roman option from drop down menu. Then click on uppercase from case option. Click on this button and select uppercase option, and align from alignment, select center alignment. Like this, set background color by clicking on background tab. This is background tab. If you want to keep image as a background, click on choose file option and select file for background. To set border, click on border tab and this will display options for border. To set same border for all four sides, tick a checkbox for all four sides use same border style option. Now select dotted border from the drop down menu. From here select dotted border. Now click on general tab. You can see CSS code which is generated. See, जो भी ऑप्शन हमने सेट किए हैं वो सारे ऑप्शंस यहाँ पे आपको देखने को मिलेंगे. So like this we can create style for other tags also. For that, click on arrow of CSS button in the upper left corner of the CSS style dialog box and choose style rule from the drop down menu. After adding the style rules for all elements, click on OK button. Now to use CSS created for H1 in web page, from Format toolbar 1, select Heading 1 option to insert heading in the page. This will apply automatically on your heading. So students, देखा ना कितना easy है style rule create करना. So there are some advantages and disadvantages of CSS. Advantages of CSS. CSS allows us to set format of the website without changing structure. We can make changes to the website without fear of accidentally changing in data. And उसका एक ही disadvantages है कि CSS compatibility varies with different browser, so that some of the features of the style sheet are not supported by the browser and style cannot be displayed as per user's design. So here we complete chapter number 2 part 1 CSS यानी कि Cascading Style Sheet. Students, I have also uploaded practical video of creating style sheet. So subscribe our channel and see the video. Hope you have saved this session. So Control plus S till we meet next.